The Nigeria Medical Center (NMC) has kicked against a bill to establish a federal nephrology and kidney research and treatment center in Hadejia. The bill was kicked against during a one-day public hearing at the Senate. National Assembly correspondent Chuka Onwuhai reports.
The bill, which was passed on March 10, 2020, was also passed for second reading and third reading before being referred to the Committee on Health for the public hearing. President of the NMC, Dr. Uche Odinma, at the public hearing, suggested that preventive research should be the core focus instead of treatment, which is usually at a near fatal stage.
It is the position of Nigeria Medical Association on the bill to provide the National Nephrology Center. We regrettably reject this bill in its entirety. As experts, we should not wait for intense headache to get to where it is decapitation that will be the solution. If there is preponderance of kidney disease in Hadejia, the solution is primary health care. Find out what is causing the problem and nip it in the bud. You do not sit by and wait for people to get to terminal conditions before you offer them treatment.
We have HIV-associated nephropathy, we have lupus nephritis, we have chronic glomerulonephritis. So our own opinion as an association is that we deserve to have a kidney institute. However, it should be in a center that is readily accessible to the all of the federation. We looked at Hadejia, yes, they have this condition, but we now say HIV-associated nephropathy, should we cite one in Benue? If we are talking about lupus nephritis, should there be one only in Lagos? Let us have a central place that all of us can come to, accessible by air, accessible by road readily. We have the manpower, but Hadejia actually deserves attention.
As they know, the medical, lab scientists also said. So we'll really look at it. I think there will be a debate. As I said, we don't have opinion. That's why I said the ministry should look when there is a disease. Sometimes, Mr. President, without making any comment, maybe there are some genetical challenges and so on there which are not public, because that's what they are trying to adduce. And they have, of course, as the nephrologist says, so we don't wait till CKD to nip it in the bud. So the Ministry of Health needs to be aware of this.
Meanwhile, bill to establish Federal Medical Center Okigwe, which has passed second reading in the floor of the Senate, has been amended to be the establishment of Federal Orthopedic Hospital, Ihite Uboma Local Government, Imo State. Senator Frank Ibezim, who sponsored the bill, disclosed that the amendment was necessitated due to the similar bill which has been passed by the House of Representatives, sponsored by Honorable Princess Miriam Onoha, and have advanced to the concurrent stage in the Senate. Other major bills debated during the public hearing by the Committee on Health are National Center for Cancer Treatment, regulation of in vitro fertilization, and Federal Orthopedic Hospital, Nkpo, Anambra State. Chuka Onwuhai, ITV News.